Hello, everyone. Today we'll talk about real estate in Georgia. The first thing I want to say is that whether we like it or not, real estate is still an asset, no matter how we approach it. Choosing real estate based on a wow, I just wanted it feeling usually leads to significant financial pain over long periods. When choosing real estate, especially resort property, especially in Georgia, it's very important to understand your goals and objectives. It's very important to understand why we are buying this property. In fact, real estate cannot solve a multitude of issues. If you aren't already a millionaire, it won't make you one with a snap of the fingers all of a sudden, but you can definitely make money on it. You can definitely choose a property where you'll live comfortably or visit during the summer season, for example. Or in the case of the mountains, visit for the ski season. It's a matter of approach. The most important thing before buying real estate at all, I think, in any country in the world, is to properly define your needs. If we bought, say, an apartment with a sea view in a beautiful location, but didn't consider all the factors, didn't look into it, but bought it just because we liked it, what will actually happen? Most likely, over time, this property will either lose value or you might end up spending a lot on renovations. This is actually a very common story. I myself once bought an apartment simply because I liked it, and the apartment sat empty for 2 years. I didn't know all the nuances at that time. Now, welcome to the fourth month of renovations. Renovation, as you know, can only be started. Finishing it is, alas, difficult. Let's get back to our topic. In fact, by buying on emotion, we lose a very, very large amount of data that we should actually rely on when choosing any real estate, whether it's commercial or residential property, houses, townhouses, or even plots of land. First and foremost, what you need to do is figure out, why am I buying this? Why do I need this? If we answer this question for ourselves, then it's important to clearly write down and outline these goals. Yes, this can be used as a guide for working with a realtor. You should have goals and objectives written down for your real estate. The more precisely we understand what goals and tasks you plan to address with this property, the easier it will be to select something for you, find something, and hit the mark. It's not always possible to hit the mark and find exactly what the client wants, again, in their own words, but with a list of wishes, you'll definitely hit your request more accurately than without one. So before you do anything, be sure to think it through.